All right, we're installing this one. We got the box, we got the wire all over there, and got the CPE sitting there pointing that direction, and actually is picking up, and it's giving them 12, 13, and they only need 10. That's what they're paying for. Now we'll go get a 10-foot pole, mount it on here, get the CP up and above all them RVs over there, and then we'll go to the next one. A great 4th of July. Okay, we got the pole here, got the clamp to put on it. It'll be a quick install. It's 4th of July. We're going to get this up and running, which is running now, but we're going to get this up on the pole, point it, get a good signal, move on to the next one. All right, we got the pole strapped up, but we hadn't finalized yet. It's not pointing the right direction. We're going to open up the app, point it that direction, get it locked in, then we're going to lock it down and probably cut this wire and put a new end on it, because that's just too much to put in the box. That's just a piece I had. I knew that it worked because I made it myself. And now let's aim it and get it locked in. Okay, we got this one up and running. We got the lock on it, got the shorter cable pointed, and they are getting a -50, -51. So I believe that will work, and already done a test, and it's getting 12 megs per second. We're good. All right, I appreciate you watching, all the subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, all that good stuff. That really helps the channel. It's 4th of July. Hopefully you're having a wonderful one. I know I am, out here getting people internet. I really love this hobby I have of just meeting new people and hear stories that they tell about RVing, their travels and stuff. And it's just wonderful to meet them kind of people and just sit back and talk.